Check out this thing. What do you think about it? Oh. เย็นสบาย เย็นสบายโอ้ที่นี่ร้อนมากครับ
พวกเราตาที่นี่สถานโพที่นี่สถานโพเท่าไหร่ก้าวตรงในกระทำบนขนาดหลวงพ่อพระพุทธเจ้าหัวเราที่นี่อาจารย์สถานโพที่เราสองผู้โดยสาร
Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to my Hungry Adventures.
สถานีใหญ่ที่เป็น
To the last episode of Bangkok's Hungry Adventures. Yeah, it's the last video, guys. And we're in Talat Phlu, the motherland of street food in Bangkok. You wanted me to come here for a very long time, and here I am. And it's not a joke, it's the last episode of Bangkok's Hungry Adventures. I gotta tell you why, but a bit later. Yeah, Talat Phlu is the motherland of Bangkok street food, and everybody who is in love with street food should come here at least once to taste the original flavors, the original taste of it, and to see how everything looks like in the old town, in the old part of Bangkok. Yeah, a long time ago it was the city center, and still it has got its own spirit. And today, together with you, I want to explore this place. It's my second time here. The first time I was just passing by, just eating ice cream, and today is gonna be deep exploration. So yeah, during the next 20-30 minutes, we're gonna taste different kind of foods. So if you got some time and empty space in your stomach, and you're ready to waste time together with me, then let's start the hungry adventure. Let's go. Hello, hello. Yeah, it's pretty noisy, it's pretty tight because a lot of people live here, and it's pretty favorite place for everyone to enjoy food because it's tasty and the quality of food is high, is great. And everybody knows that if you want to try the real street food, you should come here. So yeah, I don't expect that someone will find time to talk to us today, because everyone is busy with their work. But anyway, I think สวัสดีครับอันนี้คืออะไรครับ
มะจังค่ะ
อันนี้มีข้าวใช่ไหมครับ
ข้าวเหนียวค่ะ
ข้าวเหนียว
มีเครื่องหลายๆอย่าง
มีกล้วยใช่ไหมครับ
ค่ะ
เป็นอันเท่าไหรครับ
40ค่ะ
40
3 อัน100ค่ะ
เหรอจริงเหรอโอเคเอา1อันครับ
อันเดียว เอาไหม
อันเดียวครับ
เอาอันเดียว
เอาใช่ครับ
40ค่ะ
โอเค
แม่เอาไป3 อันเลยละคะ
อะ
แม่เอาไป3 อันเลย
ต้องคิวนิดหน่อยครับ นิดนานได้ไหม
อันหนึงได้ค่ะ
โอเคครับ Yeah, let's buy something from the start to make people believe that I'm not just a stranger. ขอบคุณครับ
เขาเรียกบัตจัง
Alright, the first purchase is done, and I've come here by MRT. There is a MRT station in 1 kilometer from here, so it's pretty easy accessible. Pretty new MRT station, by the way. There is a small tiny parking for bikes, but I've decided not to come here by bike because traffic jam these days is incredible. And I'm leaving Bangkok soon, so yeah, I decided to let my hands, my legs to rest of driving. Okay, let's keep exploring. Where we can go? You probably have seen, if you was looking some information about Talat Phlu, maybe you have seen the pictures of this bridge. It's actually the highway. Yeah, and there is MRT station in 1 kilometer from here. And also there is a tiny market, small market with street food stalls and tables and music. I'm not sure if I will be able to shot video there because of the music, you know. But anyway, we will try and at least explore this area because this is like the stalls along the railway tracks, and these kind of stalls, they are the major here. But and behind the bridge itself. Okay, too many words.
ก็จะได้12เอาไป
What's that?
หนูไม่ได้ว่าอะไร
Some pancakes.
เอา12โล18
ฮะ
60ต้องได้18ตก
เอาเหรอ
คูณ
ว่ะ
Yeah, a lot of desserts here. A lot of desserts, a lot of barbecue, ice cream with eggs yolk. I've seen it once, but I'm not gonna try. I'm too scared to eat raw eggs and takoyaki. 10 pieces, 50 baht.
อันนี้ค่ะ
มันรวมหมดเป็นอันน่ะ
I can ma. Yeah, a lot of people here, and it's only around like 6, maybe already 7 p.m. But I think it's gonna be more crowded in 1 hour or so. I can't even imagine how many people come here on weekend. It's just wow. So you see, you can sit just next to the railway road, to the track, and enjoy some tasty food. And this is the ice cream shop. With really amazing reviews. That's street food life. Also over there, some restaurants. But I really want to check out the area under the bridge. Yeah, that's the ice cream with different toppings. And you see this one with raw egg yolk. I'm not gonna eat it. Lately I've eaten too many desserts, a lot of sweets, and I got to recover myself. สวัสดีครับคุณมีอะไรครับ
บัวลอยค่ะ
บัวลอย
Yeah
ผมรู้จักบัวลอยบัวลอยอร่อยใช่ครับเคยกินบัวลอย
เคยกินพูดไทยเก่งจัง
พูดไทยได้นิดหน่อยครับ
เก่งเก่งพูดไทยเก่ง
นินชามเท่าไหรครับ
30 ค่ะ
30โอเคเอาครับ
ได้กันค่ะ
เอาหนึ่งชามครับหนึ่งถ้วยถ้วยใช่ไหม like small bowl
tell where our Talat
ที่นี่ได้ไหม
ได้ค่ะ
Okay. Yeah, crazy me. I have just said that I'm not gonna eat sweets. Oh. Almost. It almost hit me. Yeah, I'm a strange guy. I have just said that I'm not gonna eat sweets because I've eaten a lot of desserts and so on. And then I've noticed someone is willing to talk to me and open the conversation saying, okay, I'm gonna eat sweets. You see? It's not about what I want. It's like, it really depends on the flow. Go with the flow. That's how I make in my videos.
ตกลงเรื่องยังไม่จบนะ
Yeah, another train has arrived. This is it.
สถานรถตาที่นี่สถานโทที่นี่สถานโทถ้าแบบการประสงค์เราจะขับรถงานต่อสถานรถต้องหัวที่นี่ออกจากสถานบูอยู่
Okay, let's try it. Boaloy for 30 baht. Very famous Thai dessert. อันนี้ไข่ใช่ไหมครับ อ๋อ I've said that I'm not gonna eat raw yolk. What's wrong with me? I'm just like, I've got no character, no strength. I eat what people give me. That's the real street food place. You should come here if you have time. Yeah. It's not really raw. It's kind of boiled yolk. And pumpkin and different tapioca, like balls from tapioca flour, yeah. And something else. Real sweet. Yeah, you see, I'm buying food when someone is talking to me. That's why I'm eating so many desserts, because desserts vendors, they're always so talkative. Check out this thing. What do you think about it? Oh. เย็นสบาย เย็นสบายโอ้ที่นี่ร้อนมากครับ ว่าอร่อยครับ โอเคขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ ยินดีค่ะ
ยินดีครับ
ยินดีค่ะ
Wow, nice, kind and friendly. Yeah, see you next time. Yeah, if you are smiling, if you are saying hi, I'm ready to buy food. Yeah, I used to think that squid or seafood or salad rolls is the key to my heart. No, if you are just talking to me, then yeah, I'm completely yours. Gentleman's playing chess. What
You interested?
You're playing chess?
Checker.
Huh?
Checker. Thai checker.
Checker. Ah, yeah, I know.
Can you show you?
No, I can't play. I don't know how to play. I used to play when I was a kid.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Where are you from?
ประเทศรัสเซียครับ
Russia.
ใช่
Okay. Putin.
พูดถึงครับ โอเคสวัสดีครับ Russia Putin. That's what you hear here. By the way, not only here, in India, in Nepal, maybe even in Laos. I can't remember in Laos, but in India and Nepal, yeah, the same. Like, where are you from? From Russia. Oh, Putin. You see many different stalls here on another side, and there is also like fresh raw meat market, so you can come in the morning and buy food as well. And another guys with cat in a plastic box. Really poor cat. Why people do it? It's so hot inside, hot and noisy. How would you feel if someone would put you in a plastic box? ครับ
กุ้งอบวุ้นเส้น
อ๋อวุ้นเส้น
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวต้มยำกุ้ง
ต้มยำกุ้งจะอร่อยครับ
หา
ต้มยำกุ้งจะอร่อยครับ
50 70 80มีหลายราคา50 60 80
อันนี้ต้มยำกุ้งเหรอ
ต้มยำกุ้งหมูเด้งชีส
อ่า
ทอดชีส
with cheese
ชีส
โอเคเอานี่ครับ
นี่
เอา
เอาเส้นอะไรครับ
มี
มีเลือกเส้นได้บัฟมาม่าบะหมี่เหลือง
บะหมี่ได้ครับ เอาบะหมี่ครับที่นี่ครับ
โอเค
นั่นได้ที่ไหนครับโอเคโอเค
เด้งบะหมี่เหลืองเอาน้ำเปล่าแป๊บซี่วอเตอร์
น้ำเปล่าครับ
โอ้พูดไปเยอะๆปูให้ปลาก็ไม่เอาเลย
อันนี้คืออะไรครับ หมู
หมูสะเต๊ะ
หมูสะเต๊ะหมูสะเต๊ะอร่อย
อร่อย
อร่อยมาก
อย่ามาใกล้นะแล้วจะบ้า
There is some joke, but I didn't get it, unfortunately. If you know what you should say, if you know what they was laughing about, tell me, write in the comments. Really amazing place to taste. To like, if you have never tried Kapung Kap, if you have never tried the Thai street food, it's like place number one to come and try. And it's not so overcrowded, let's say, in Chinatown. And you don't need to wait for an hour, for 30 minutes in the line, in the queue, until someone will take your order and pay like double price for the meal, which quality will be so-so. Everything is so tasty here, and even this place is still busy. People are friendly, you can see it yourself. Oh, and even mushrooms and half of egg and some bowls, like meatballs and cheese, tom yum with cheese. First time I'm trying tom yum with cheese. Eating tom yum wearing a white t-shirt. Sounds kind of risky. I need more. Real spicy. Woo. I'm sweating like a real animal. I can feel this waterfall running on my back. But real good. Well, let's try these bowls. It's a tasty food. Tasty, spicy. And high quality. Tasty egg. A real tasty egg. Yeah, I'm crying. I'm crying because it's the last episode of Bangkok's Hungry Adventure. Because tomorrow I'm leaving Bangkok. I'm leaving Bangkok and starting the road trip. So yeah, it's the last episode of Bangkok's Hungry Adventure. And tomorrow will be the first episode of Thailand Hungry Adventure. I'll be hungry and looking for adventures, obviously. Russia. And I'm very excited about this road trip. I hope you too. And it's not that easy to cross the road here. Nobody is letting you go to another side. Even though there is zebra, the sidewalk, the crosswalk, the sidewalk, the crosswalk, yeah. That's the place I told you about. There is a speaker, so we won't go there. But we can check out what they have in this part. Narak mak. Lovely dog. Sawasdee krab. ทำปัดไก่ใช่ไหมครับ ใช่ครับ Really huge variety of food, incredible, and sushi again. Wow, I'm impressed because last time I just went to try the ice cream, but now I can say it's really like incredible place. So many foods here. Wow. Southwind with squid. I really would love to try. สวัสดีครับยำปลาหมึกได้ไหมครับยำปลาหมึกเพราะว่าน่ากินมาก Yeah, they work with Food Panda, so probably they receive many orders like every minute. That's why they have to work hard, and they look pretty busy. But it's fine. If I'm getting the tasty food, then that's the most important thing, right? It should look this way. Oh yeah, that looks spicy. Isn't it amazing? This is what everyone who ever wanted me to make close up. ขอบคุณครับ 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 ขอบคุณครับสวัสดีครับ The seasoning is same like lab, like lab kai, the same taste, but this one is only with squid, so it's like lap lamuk. Is there a dish which is called lap lamuk? Wow. Wow. The greatest Mr. Squid. Amazing, amazing taste. It's great. It's super spicy, but it's so tasty. I'm wet. I'm completely wet. But it's worth coming here, man. Okay, I'm gonna finish it because this one I think already not today. If you have enjoyed this video, have enjoyed this motherland of street food, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Write me a comment because your comments help this video to be more actively recommended by YouTube, and it helps the channel to grow. Yeah. What else? Yeah, hit the bell to turn the notifications on because we are starting the road trip on a bike. So yeah, I really need your support. So hit the like button, keep commenting. Yeah, join me on Patreon, my special private community, or I've turned on the option of sponsorship on YouTube. Yeah, just in case you want to support this channel. And I'll see you in the next video pretty soon. And I'm not sure if it will be tomorrow. Bye bye.